Homemade pizza using ready-made pizza dough from Pizza Store at Wing Co. How fun is it to make your own pizza at home, without the stress of making homemade pizza dough yourself? With the affordability and access to fresh dough, why not make your own pizza from home? Cost less than buying at a restaurant or takeout, and the best part is you can add your own toppings as much or as little and whatever you like. I just made this video to share my tips of how I stretch the dough to place onto pizza stone and start piling up the toppings. I could not get the dough to stretch and shape it well using a rolling pin, so I came up using this clever idea of using my big metal bowl to help me stretch out the dough to a decent sized disc. Just sharing an effortless way of making pizza at home if you're someone like me that has a challenging time getting the dough rolled out into a nice sized disc shape. Thank you for watching and enjoy.